Welcome to the Pacific. Our islands are surrounded with nature and we have been depending on it as food source. We all can take advantage and do our own little garden.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Let me show you my garden. I get fresh supply of fruits and vegetables from my garden. It's nutritious and gives me an opportunity to exercise. I also save time and money that I would have spent going to the market, giving me more time with my family.
Hi Sarah, I like your garden. I'd like one too, but I don't have much garden space to do gardening.
Eliasa, you can still make your own garden. There are many creative ways to plant. As long as you have a soil bed that you can plant your seeds in, just like a pot plant.
But how do I know what to do?
Don't worry, Eliasa. Learning takes time, but it is also fun and very rewarding. You can learn about healthy soil, the correct seeds to plant, how to maintain your garden, and keep away pests. Here, start with these seeds.
Thank you, Sarah. Let's get planting.